Hello, dear friends. Welcome to the 21st Century Astrology Part 2. Last session, I explained you why unique horoscope is must for correct and precise prediction. Today, I will explain you what is required to be done so that we cast unique horoscope for each and every person on this. Normally, when we go to a astrologer, we give him the following details like date of birth, time of birth, and place of birth. With these details, he casts one horoscope and then gives the prediction. I don't want to comment on this horoscope, as you must be knowing that a lot of ifs and buts, lot of confusing statements, and a lot of remedies are suggested. I have already mentioned in my earlier video that four kids are born every second in this world, and no two humans are alike. We can say every human is unique and has no resemblance whatsoever. Even two kids born on the same day, same time, same place will be different from each other. But as date, time, and place is same, the horoscope will be same. In the present system of casting a horoscope, now you can very well imagine the quality and preciseness of prediction with the same horoscope when two kids are different from each other. Now, to cast this unique horoscope for correct and precise prediction, which is unique for each and every person, we need some more details. And with these details, the horoscope which we cast will not resemble with any other horoscope in this world. This horoscope we cast is done in two steps. First of all, we do birth time rectification exactly to hour, minutes, and second when the child took his or her first breath in this universe. This I am going to explain in this video, and in the next video, I will be discussing how this unique horoscope gives correct and precise prediction. Now, step number one. For birth time rectification, for calculating exact time in hour, minutes, and second when the native took his or her first breath in this universe, we need following details. Birth detail of the native, as normally we are doing it, but something more is required. Birth detail of blood relations of the native, and date and time of minimum one past event of life of the native. This we will explain in the next coming. Now comes birth detail of the native. Date of birth, no problem. Time of birth, we must know the time of birth and how the time was recorded. And place of birth, we want to know the exact location of the place of birth of the child. Now comes the second step, birth detail required blood relations of the native. In blood relations, parents, mother and father, elder brother or sister, younger brother or sister, in case married and having kids, then children's birth detail, and with this children's birth detail, you must mention the sex of the child, whether the child is male or a female. Note, all these details are not required. What maximum is possible, you should provide that. Now comes one past event of life. This is most important as this gives the exact time when the native took his or her first breath in this universe. Now, following things, mostly people they remember, but other things they generally forget. I am mentioning the things which people they remember throughout their life. Now, marriage time when rituals were performed, date and time of joining first job, date and time when you passed your first exam. In case of newborn baby, past event of parents like marriage date and time of parents when the rituals were performed. Going abroad, please text me in case you have any problem to discuss what more details are available with you and what can be considered for this. In case you have anything, please contact me on the call number +91 987 034 0754. In the above slides, we have discussed what details are required to cast unique horoscope, which is must for correct and precise prediction. In the next video, I will discuss how we are getting correct and precise prediction with this unique horoscope. In case you have any questions, please do ask me. Please click the link, like and subscribe to get next video in time. Thanks for watching. This was from Shirijan Astro Center by Nitin Kashyap.